Assalamu alaikum. At first, I would like to thank Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the creator of this universe, and send blessing Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. This is Riyajuddin Tanjim. I am from Molipara under Rajapalang Union. I am having computer office application course at AIT. It's a matter of gladness that I am a student of this platform. To cope up with international standard situation, we have to gain computer skill. And I believe that AIT is a great platform to achieve computer skill. And I am so lucky to get that opportunity given by AIT. And the trainers of AIT are very skilled and kind. I am learning a lot from them. May Allah grant them a very happy life.
Hi, this is Abhijit Barwa. I am doing mobile repairing course here at AIT. Now I would like to share my experiences with all of you guys. All of you know that mobile phone is a wonderful invention for information technology. It is a cordless phone by which you can communicate and talk to others in the shortest possible time. An ultra-modern mobile phone set is indeed a mini computer. Though it was a sign of aristocracy in the past, now it is found in everyone's hand in our country. Like the computer revolution, the mobile phone or cell phone is creating a major revolution across the country. In matrimonial markets, sting operations, and shockingly enough in the dangerous field of terrorism, mobile is being used as a tool. The changes in a span of less than a decade have been so dramatic that many have come to realize that they can't contemplate a life without phone. With all this phone out there in the market, don't you think people may end up with software and hardware problems which they may not be able to fix on their own? Certainly, this is why mobile phone has become such a lucrative business. Now let me tell you some of the advantages of choosing mobile phone career as a career. Number one, it does not require huge education. Instead, it requires people taking up this career to be gadget savvy and to have an inclination towards learning new techniques and new methods. Number two, it is relatively easy to understand how a cell phone works and if something goes wrong. Number three, the training period is very short. You can complete it within 2 to 3 months. And the last one is it does not require huge investment. If you want to run a business, then you can do it with a small amount of money. Okay, so all these facilities really fascinates me to take this or choose this career. Okay, thanks for listening to me. Thank you. Bye.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম রহমতুল্লাহ। আমি ইমরান। আমি একজন আইআইটি কর্তৃক পরিচালিত ড্রাইভিং কোর্সের একজন শিক্ষার্থী। দীর্ঘদিন ধরে আমরা আইআইটি কর্তৃক পরিচালিত ড্রাইভিং কোর্সে ক্লাস করে আসতেছি। আইআইটি কর্তৃক পরিচালিত ড্রাইভিং কোর্সের ট্রেনার এবং শিক্ষকগুলো অনেক আন্তরিক এবং দক্ষ। তাদের দক্ষতার সহিত আমাদের এই ড্রাইভিং কোর্সটি পরিচালনা করে আসতেছে। এর কারণে আমরা এখন মোটামুটি নিজেদের ড্রাইভিং কোর্সের দক্ষ হিসাবে গড়ে তুলতে পারছি।
এটা হচ্ছে আপনার ডিস্ট্রিবিউটর বোঝা গেছে। এগুলো হচ্ছে ডিস্ট্রিবিউটরের কাজ হচ্ছে ডিস্ট্রিবিউট করা। ডিস্ট্রিবিউট করা, এগুলো হচ্ছে হাই টেনশন লিড, এগুলো দেখা যাচ্ছে, এগুলো হচ্ছে হাই টেনশন লিড। এরপরে হচ্ছে এটা হচ্ছে স্পার্ক প্লাগ, এই ডিস্ট্রিবিউটর থেকে হাই টেনশন লিডের মাধ্যমে স্পার্ক প্লাগ আসছে। ডিস্ট্রিবিউটরের কাজ হচ্ছে কি ভোল্টেজ বাড়ানো, ভোল্টেজ ডিস্ট্রিবিউট করা, অর্থাৎ হাই ভোল্টেজ বাড়িয়ে হাই টেনশন লিডের মাধ্যমে 10,000 থেকে 30,000 14,000 ভোল্টে রূপান্তর করে হাই টেনশন লিডের মাধ্যমে সাপ্লাই দিয়ে স্পার্ক প্লাগের ভিতর, স্পার্ক প্লাগ সেকেন্ডে আপনার 30 থেকে 40 বার প্রতি সেকেন্ডে স্পার্ক করবে সিলিন্ডার ভিতরে। বুঝা গেছে? তাহলে ডিস্ট্রিবিউটরের কাজ এক কথা হচ্ছে ডিস্ট্রিবিউট করা।
At first take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. This is Nusrat Jahan Akhi before you. I'm from South Shilkali, Baharshara Union, Teknaf, Cox'sbazar. Hope you are well. I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Shamlapur branch of AIT, Skill Development Training Center. I am having Computer Office Application course at AIT. Today's world is technology based. Honestly speaking, coming to AIT, I feel that AIT is the best platform for learning computer. AIT is affiliated with Bangladesh Technical Education Board, which is well known as a skill development training center. Undoubtedly, to make a better version of myself, AIT is my first choice. Thanks to AIT for giving us huge opportunity, and thank you all.
Hello everybody, good morning. At first take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope all of you are well. To the grace of Almighty Allah, I am also fine, Alhamdulillah. I would like to thank my honorable audience for giving me a chance to share my experience about Academy of Information Technology or AIT. This is Shahila Jannat. All of you know that I am a student of AIT. Now I am doing Computer Office Application course here. I would like to say all trainers of AIT are very skilled, friendly and outstanding. Honestly speaking, coming to AIT, I feel that AIT is the best platform for learning computer. AIT is fully affiliated with Bangladesh Technical Education Board, which is well known as a skill development training center. Undoubtedly, to make a better version of myself, AIT is my first choice. I am so pleased to be a proud member of AIT. Thanks for their great effort and dedication. Thank you so much.